In this video, I will show you how to install an APK on your Android phone using a PC with ADB. Now go to your Android phone and enable developer options. To do that, open these settings, go to about phone and tap build number several times until developer mode is enabled. Open system, then go to developer options, scroll down and enable USB debugging. Now connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. I am using a scrcpy, which you can download from GitHub. Once you download it, open the scrcpy folder. Next, run the scrcpy.exe file on your computer. Once scrcpy opens, your phone screen will appear on your PC. Now you can simply drag and drop the APK file onto the phone screen. The installation will start automatically. In the command window, you will see a message saying performing streamed install. After a few seconds, it will show success, which means the app has been installed on your phone. And that's it. Your APK is now installed using ADB. That's all for this video. Your APK is now installed on your Android phone using ADB from your PC. This method is very useful if you want to quickly install apps from your computer test.